No matter how advanced technology becomes, many people still believe in the ancient healing arts. One-time modern method is
Alright, this video is showing how to create an electromagnet using the geometry of the Ankh. Now, you know, the Ankh is probably one of the more popular African symbols. You know, they say it means the key to life, the key to eternal life. All of that is metaphorical talk for other concepts. So we're gonna go ahead and get into how to create an electromagnetic Ankh. All right, so I'm going to use my Ankh. I'm going to use my Ankh to trace it out onto this piece of cardboard. So we got our little Ankh drawing. All right, now I'm going to cut it out. This is a cardboard Ankh, and actually I'm gonna cut the head off of my Ankh, because I just want to use it for the base part. Yeah, so I just have the teeth. Because we're gonna create a solenoid and we wrap it around the battery. Here's my copper wire, so you can see where I've taken the wire up the cardboard, I bent it, brought it up here, took it here. Now at this point, I'm going to wrap it around, have a D battery. I'm going to wrap it around the D battery to form the loop of the see if I can zoom I'm going to wrap it around the battery at this point to correct my solenoid. I'm going to do 19 loops for right now. 19 wraps around the battery to create my solenoid coil. I'm going to take the top of the coil just to secure it so it doesn't come loose. Show what I have. Right. I'm going to put another piece of tape there to secure that side. Okay. And with my scissors cut. So that's an Ankh, right? I have taken a piece of cardboard, which is my T, have a wire, copper wire that comes up this side, bend it, tape it, bend it, tape it, bend it, wrap it around 19 times around the battery to form a solenoid coil for the loop of the Ankh. Brought it back, taped it, bent it, taped it, bent it, come back down, and then there's the other piece of the wire, right? So that's our Ankh. What I want to demonstrate is I have some paper clips. This Ankh is not magnetic to these paper clips. You see? This Ankh is not magnetic to these paper clips. Also, this battery is not magnetic to the paper clip. Also, this nail is not magnetic to the paper clips, right? Now what I'm going to do is, this nail is going to represent my Y scepter, as you usually see in the iconography of the deity P.T.A.H. You see him holding a Z pillar battery or a Z pillar that can be used as a battery, like how I showed in the other video, right? A Z pillar with an Ankh on top of it, right, with the Y scepter going through the middle of the Ankh, something like this, right? Alright, I'm going to show how you can create an electromagnet with that geometry. Right, so my nail is going to represent my Y scepter. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, let's zoom in. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to attach this battery to the two ends of my Ankh. I'm going to put the nail in the middle of the Ankh solenoid like this, right? And it's going to create an electromagnet. So I have some leads to do my connections for me. After you sandpaper to sand off the bottom edges of the Ankh, so that the connection is made. Right. Get it in. So we got the battery connected to the two ends of the Ankh. Now if I pass my nail through the Ankh, we got some magnetism. The nail is actually picking up. Alright, here's my Ankh that I created. Right. Here's my nail. If I pass the nail through the coil of the Ankh, right, the nail gets magnetized and it will be able to pick up the paper dangling on the end. Right. Got my Ankh. And the nail is still magnetized. Let's try another one, because I have two nails. This is my Ankh. This is my Y scepter. The Ankh is non-magnetic. See, Y scepter is not magnetic, right? But when I pass the Y scepter to the center of the Ankh, it becomes magnetic. Watch. See my paper clip. There's no life in the West. I know the East is the best. All the propaganda them spread. Tongues will African fest. What could about some of the East? Everybody want a piece. Africa free Africans. Marcus Mosiah speak. Unification, no nobody feet. What a day. We're walking down redemption street. Ban up our head. Find me in and one and all. Make me try the promised land. Would you go down a Congo and then Shashamane land? The city of Ferraris where Selassie come from. From Addis Ababa in a Botswana. Left Kenya and up in a Ghana. Oh, what a beauty me eyesight behold. Holy Ethiopia protect me from the cold. Till I'm laid to rest. Yes, always be depressed. There's no life in the West. I know the East is the best. All the propaganda they spread. Tongues will African fest. Organize, centralize. Alright. So that's how to create an electromagnet with the Ankh geometry.